Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow.
Good morning, everyone. I've still got morning voice. Plus, I slept in a little late today, and I'll talk to you about that in a minute. But that intro shot was of our friends, Deborah and Elaine, headed back to Midland and saying goodbye to them. Just a couple of days ago, I was having coffee with them at the lake for our last morning and missing them already. We had such a good time. You might hear Finn. He's down here chewing on his bone. One of his favorite pastimes. His other favorite pastime is pestering his sister, Sammy. He tries to get in the chair with her, and y'all will see those clips in a minute, and lay down with her, and she's just not sure about this little puppy. Oh my goodness. I know y'all always tell me, don't apologize for my hair or the way I look. But I look in the phone that I'm recording from, and I see myself, and I'm like, oh my goodness. But anyway, I'm doing really well. My congestion is finally out of my chest and just down to a runny nose. I'll take that. I'm so happy about that. And like I said, I've got a couple of clips to share with you at the end of this video of Finn and Sammy. But yesterday was my last day at my summer job, and it's an odd feeling. I worked there for, 5 months this summer, 2 days a week, and other than like taking off to go see my sister and when Bandit died and everything, I didn't miss a day, and just really wonderful people, and I enjoyed the job. I was so grateful that it was something I could do, and it just, the money allowed me to get the paneling for my casita, and next I'm going to be getting paint and do the outside. But yeah, I'm not employed in a job right now. It feels really weird. It felt really weird to go back to work, and it feels really weird to not be working. And I'm actually going to miss my coworkers in the office and my office manager. She came back. She was traveling and working remotely for the summer, which is one reason I had the wonderful opportunity. And I got to work with her for a couple of weeks before my last day. And I'm just going to miss them. Of course, we all live here, so I'll be seeing them, but it's just different. And I keep saying we when I refer to the office. Last night when I was sitting outside with Jana and one of our friends, and when I was like, well, we, this, that, and it's like, yeah, no, they, because I don't work in there anymore, and it's all good. And I'm very grateful for that opportunity. So what have you got? Let me see. Oh, okay. It's okay. I just wanted to make sure he hadn't broken a piece of the stick off, but he hadn't. And so Jenna and I were talking last night. What do we do now that my summer job has ended? And we are making plans to go to Quartzsite for the winter. So for those of you that were asking about Quartzsite and what we're going to be doing, we will probably head that way mid-November-ish, I'm guessing. My first book signing event will be at the QIA on December 6th. So I hope if you are in the Quartzsite area, you will mark your calendar for that and come by and see us. If you've been there before, it will be my usual booth. I confirmed that, and now that I'm not going to be working this winter, and it will be at the same booth. If you haven't been there before, I am inside the big building and back toward the back where the stage used to be. I think they took that out this summer. I'm not sure. But anyway, back toward the back and back toward the back exit door, and I'm by the wall, and I just love that location. It took me a few years to work, or a couple of years before I could work up to getting an outside wall location inside the building, but instead of in the sea of tables in the middle of the building, I'm on the wall, and I really love that. And so I'm glad to be going back so I don't lose that location. And again, my first book signing event this year will be December 6th at QIA in Quartzsite. And I'll be giving more information on that as the time goes closer. So I'm going to start getting ready to roll. Phoenix goes into the shop on October 6th. The 6th is a big date. And get her fixed, get her road ready, and we will just start going from there. Wherever you are, I hope that you are having a beautiful morning, that you had some great coffee if that's what you do to start your day, and I'll see you on the next video, everybody. I'm assuming y'all want to see Finn. Finn, what are you doing? Finn, are you going to ignore me? Okay, Finn, ignore me. Good boy. Bye, everybody. See you on the next video.